Now, in an industry where we are not always sure whether people are trading live money or whether you're trading demo, you see these forex gurus online who doesn't even, they only started 1 year, 2 years in, and they start selling courses or they start selling their private signals. I've decided to be transparent with my journey and also show you the struggles, because I can tell you I've been trading for the past 5 years and I haven't had it easy, but I have seen results from consistency and trial and error. You will see I've documented my journey since the beginning when I started in 2021. I journal my trades, I journal my losses, I make content showing wins. Sometimes I don't show all the wins, sometimes I don't show all the losses. But also I'm not trading full time yet. So sharing my journey and is has become a real, it's a nice journey for me to share my journey and also bring the reality of trading. Now, I've been, for the past 2 years, I've been teaching mentorship, giving mentorship on how I trade, and also opened up my private group because I'm trading every single day except Fridays. I've opened my private trading group to other traders who would like to join. And people are making money. I can see the growth that I see in the people. It's not just about the money they make, but also the growth I see in them is really, it's good, man. It's good to see it. It's good to be part of seeing other people grow and also start their own things and going into their own directions by what I am doing. So today this video is about my Blue Guardian 50k challenge that I'm busy with. So we're looking at I'm going to show you my dashboard. I'm going to show you the stats, my win rate, my loss rate, my ups and downs, my losses, my wins, all this. So I will go through this. Remember at the last I showed you I was busy with a 10,000 in FTMO, but this is a 50k in Blue Guardian. So guys, I want to share with you this. So this account is started in November and I was down and I started trading after November. I didn't trade much in December. Then I started on the 5th of January. I actually started again trading this account. So um I I was in drawdown through transparency, guys, on this account. Now let's talk about the rules. So for this $50,000 account on at Blue Guardian, they have rules that you need to respect. Now the first rule is you cannot lose more than $4,000. That's your maximum loss. If you reach that, you breach the account. Then your daily loss is $2,000. So if you can lose $1,000 in a day, then it's fine. But if you lose more than 2,000, you will also breach. So you need to keep your losses below 2,000 in a day and overall 4,000. They have a minimum trading days of 3 days, which means they also have a rule where you need to make at least 0.5% on that day for it to be considered as a trading day. So as you can see, I passed this. Now the target here is $3,000. I'm currently sitting at 1,993. But I don't want to bring your attention to where I'm currently. I want to bring your attention to where I was first. So looking at this equity curve, right, you can see I started here at 50k. I went all the way down, guys, to 46,000. That means I actually lost to $3,500 on this account. If you check here, daily summary on the 13th of January, my balance was at 49,600. 14th of December, 49,600 I was in drawdown of $3,400 on this account, because remember they give you 4,000 to trade with. So I was all the way down, like almost, if it's 70%, that was, say we were down 3,400 on a 50k account. Let's work it out together. That is 68%. 68% basically I was down on this account, guys, in December. And then I want to bring your attention to where I started now in January. As you can see, I started on the 6th. I took my first trade. This first trade was a loss. I lost $197. Now the next day, the 7th, I made up some profits, small profits, and then I took a loss again. But here my balance was at least 46,700. But remember, you only get 4,000. So if you draw down, is it 46,000? If it hits there, then you lose the account. Traders, let me show you. So on the 12th of January, you can see this is a RealX result. I started making $100, $93, $50. I was just focusing on consistent wins, and I used a very small lot size. I'll show you my lot sizes now. So I brought this count back up to 47,000. Now I have $1,000 to trade with, right? To risk basically. And this is where I developed a risk plan strategy for myself for this account, because I needed to bring my balance up to $1,000 or $1,500 so I can start risking normal risk, how I actually risk. So on the 20th, which was last week, I made $140, and then my account was at $47,100. So you can see all these trades I took. I sent it in my private group with the traders who trade with me. If you'd like to join that group, leave a comment below and I will send you the details. Right, then on the 21st, this is my comeback. I made $900 on this account. So from 47,000, I'm now up more than 48,000. So I'm basically having now $2,000 to trade with, and that gave me some leverage then to go and risk on my normal. So on the 22nd of January, we took buys again on gold, and this trade brought us up to $462. So now we are at $48,500. Then we took a small loss on the 23rd, and then it was the weekend. There are no trades taken. So on the 26th of Monday, guys, I made $917 on this account. So now I'm at my normal risk, and also I'm trading my strategy, following the process. So I'm back to 49,400. So I'm basically only down $600 now to get to break even. Then on that 27th, that was the Tuesday, was not a good day because we were caught up in a pullback, in a correction in the market. So I tried selling, and then price was just, we all took losses on Tuesday, and I took a loss of $850. Actually more than what I normally would like to risk. My risk plan is to risk 1%, but I re-entered and I took a big loss of $850. Nevertheless, Wednesday we came back to the 28th, and guys, I finished with a $1,275 in profits. That brought my account back up from 48,500 to 49,800. That was 3% on this account in one day. Not on one trade. I took 2 trades on this day, and I will share the trades I took as well. This means that when you trade with more money, you basically have more leverage, but more money doesn't mean that you can be reckless as well. Because if you've seen my other videos on where I traded the FTMO challenge, I actually lost a lot of, but I followed my process, but I've learned from those losses. And now because I'm trading with more capital, I'm just applying the same rules. And then guys, on the 30th, on Friday, I made $400, which means now my account is at 51,993. That means I am 2% away from reaching this profit target on Blue Guardian. If I get my certificate, I will definitely make a video again. This is really hard work to bring an account from 68%, but almost 70% in the drawdown, bring it back again, and now I'm up 4% on this account. You will see also they give you your stats here. Guys, I don't have 100% win rate. This 35%, it includes the trades I took in November. So the win rate is 35%. My loss rate is 65%, as you can see. But I have an average risk reward. My trades, I don't scalp. I scalp, they trade. So I actually kept my trades open for longer, over 1:2 risk reward. And that's why I have been profitable also at the end of this month. You can see my average winning trade was $160, and then my average losing trade is $74. Now I want to take you to the results here. You'll see I only traded gold for, like, you will see I only focus on trading gold, and this is at 0.20, 0.20. That is the lot size that I was looking to use, or always used. That was the fixed lot size. When I was in a drawdown, I used 0.10, so 0.1. And then also when I was you can see here, even 0.20. I want to take it back to, like, how did you manage to get those? Even 0.05, as you can see there, 0.02, 0.02. So 0.05 as I was building this account up, and that was my strategy with this account. Just get back up the wins to the break even, and then you can risk your normal risk size. It's all about risk management, guys. And look here, I have $1,000 days, $900 days on this account. So stay tuned for more. This is my first phase. If I pass this phase, I need to go to the second phase. So I will also send you an update on that. Keep trading, and this is the real results. Like, yeah, this is my trading results. And if you enjoyed this content, guys, and you would like to sign up with my private group, or you would like me to mentor you, send me a DM or comment down below, and I'll give you all the details of my mentorship. Thank you for watching, and see you on the other side.